This is the 12th video in my series on alternating current. In this video, we're going to take a look at finding the inverse of phasors. You will find this topic along with others in my course entitled Basic Fundamentals of AC Circuit Analysis. You can access this and my other courses on my Stan Store at this web address. In my last video, we went through the process of division, that is, dividing one phasor by another. In this next example, it's going to be a special form of division, but division nevertheless. To obtain the reciprocal, or invert a complex number, simply divide the number in its polar form into the value of 1, which is nothing more than the complex number 1 at 0 degrees. So in these examples, if you want to invert the phasor 35 at 65 degrees, you'd put 1 over 35 at 65 degrees, which is the same as dividing 1 at 0 degrees by 35 at 65 degrees, and that would be 1 divided by 35, which would give you the magnitude of 0.02857, and you'd subtract 65 from 0, which would give you minus 65. In the next example, you'd have the reciprocal of 10 at minus 12 degrees, which would be 1 at 0 degrees divided by 10 at minus 12. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. 0 subtract minus 12 degrees is 12 degrees. And the final example, the reciprocal of 0.0032 at 10 degrees would give you 1 divided by 0.0032, which would give you 312.5, and then you would take 0 and subtract 10 degrees, which would give you minus 10 degrees. So as you work through a long string of complex numbered arithmetic, always add and subtract in rectangular form, then multiply and divide in polar form. It will be necessary to convert from one form to the other as you progress through these calculations. However, with the invention of the smartphone and laptop computers, there's lots of apps out here that'll do that hard work for you, but it helps to know the process so that if you run into a problem, you can always find out what's going on. These are the basic operations you'll need to know in order to manipulate complex numbers in the analysis of AC circuits. Operations with complex numbers are by no means limited just to addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and inversion. However, virtually any arithmetic operation that can be done with scalar numbers can be done with complex numbers. This video is part of my Electrical Technical Information series. In this series, I'll be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also from time to time be reviewing electrical products that, in my opinion, are worthy of paying attention to. A lot of those products reside on the new e-commerce site called Temu. Temu is an e-commerce platform managed by a Shanghai-based company, PDD Holdings Incorporated. It operates with a network of suppliers, logistical partners, and fulfillment experts. This structure enables direct access to wholesale prices for customers, resulting in cost-effective purchases across a wide variety of products, including tools, fashion, beauty items, home essentials, toys, technology, and much, much more. Temu, which was launched in September of 2022 and gained significance by the purchase of not one, but 2 ads that were featured at the last Super Bowl. Temu is positioned to be in direct competition with the other e-commerce sites out there, including Amazon. Now you will find the internet ripe with all kinds of evaluation and experiences, both good and bad. I'm not here featuring this site to extol the virtues or the problems. What I can offer you, though, is a chance to be objectively evaluating it yourself. For that purpose, I am providing you with this link where you can go and download the app yourself and explore the benefits. You will also find this link in the description below as well as in my bio. If you use this link, it will entitle you to a $100 coupon, and searching using suggested codes will entitle you to a 30% discount on everything you order, as well as a lot of free gifts. What's more, you'll experience the joy of free shipping and free return items. This will provide you with a no-risk trial. What have you got to lose? For little or no investment, you can do your own evaluation. Keep following this site, as I'll be exploring this site, Timo, along with you, and providing you with ample suggestions and comments on the availability of everything that I find useful, such as tools as well as other things that I will find on this site. So let's do it together, and you've got nothing to lose.